gonna make some salmon with broccolini on the barbecue tonight. So we got ourselves 2 fillets of salmon and some broccolini. And now we mix the marinade. And that is 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Then a squeeze of lemon. And then some salt. And some pepper. And then mix them together. Mix it really well until the sugar dissolves. So, until it looks like that. Then you pour some over it, like that.
It looks yummy.
You also brush the sides of the fillet. Really marinate it really well. Alright, and then you're gonna put it onto the barbie. Over medium heat. We're gonna leave it on here about 15 minutes to 20 minutes, depends on the heat. Just check it in between and it's gonna be fine. Alright? You see us when it's finished. So that's the end result. It looks good.
Yummy.
Definitely looks good. Now we're gonna eat, huh? Alright. Alright, we have finished our salmon. It was delicious.
Very
It was
yummy.
really yummy. Now we having some dessert. Some hazelnut chocolate cake I baked earlier. Some coffee.
Also yummy.
Also yummy, yeah. And Ozzy is happy down in his bed there. Alright, see you then tomorrow.